Are you looking for the best mini projector? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini projector on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DITONG HY300 Plus. The DITONG HY300 Plus is a portable LED mini projector designed for home cinema and modular setups. It features a built-in Android OS, Android 11, with dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing streaming and direct app use without a separate device. The native display resolution is 1280x720 HD, with support for input up to 4K, though output remains at 720p. The brightness is modest at around 300 ANSI lumens, producing screen sizes from -40-130 at a projection distance of -1.2-4 m, and it uses an LED light source rated at -50,000 hours of use. It supports electronic focusing and can be ceiling mounted thanks to a built-in 1/4 screw hole. While it offers compact size and Android functionality, its lower brightness and HD resolution mean it performs best in darker rooms rather than fully lit spaces. Number 2. Vevshao V30 3D Projector. The Vevshao V30 is an ultra-portable smart projector designed for casual home cinema and outdoor use, boasting a built-in battery and Android OS for flexible placement without needing constant tethering. It features a native Full HD 1920x1080 resolution while supporting 4K input, so you can feed it 4K content though the output remains 1080p. The unit runs Android 9.0, includes dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless screen mirroring, AirPlay, Miracast, DLNA, and supports 3D projection. Optical specs include a throw ratio approx 1.07:1, brightness 400 ANSI lumens, contrast 5000:1, and projected screen sizes from 30 up to 200 depending on distance. The built-in rechargeable battery, 8000 mAh, 15,000 mAh depending on listing, gives 1.5 to 3 hours of portable use. In terms of build, it weighs under 1 kg, almost equal to 0.87 kg in some specs, and has autofocus and 6D keystone correction for quick setup. With HDMI, USB, USB-C ports, and built-in stereo speakers, it's a strong pick for budget-friendly big screen fun, though the brightness is modest compared to premium projectors, so it works best in dim or dark rooms. Number 3. ThundeaL TD95W Projector. The ThundeaL TD95W is a compact and affordable Full HD 1920x1080 Android-powered projector designed for home cinema and versatile media use. It runs on Android 9.0, supports decoding of 4K input, and features a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity for streaming, screen mirroring or connecting wireless audio. The device boasts a brightness spec around 1300 ANSI lumens backed by a contrast ratio of about 15,000:1, enabling clear imagery in dim-lit rooms. It also comes with smart image adjustment features such as autofocus, auto keystone, and 360 degrees flip projection, plus a suite of ports including HDMI, ARC, USB, Ethernet and AV output. While the TD95W provides an accessible way to enjoy big-screen movies, gaming or meetings, it is best suited for darker environments. Its brightness level means it won't perform as well in brightly lit spaces. Number 4. BYINTEK R17 Projector. The BYINTEK R17 is a portable DLP LED mini projector built for home cinema, outdoor use and mobile setups. It offers a native resolution of 1280x800, approx Full HD, while supporting input of up to 4K content, and boasts a brightness of about 750 ANSI lumens with a contrast ratio around 10,000:1. It runs Android 9.0, includes dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0, features Real 3D, via DLP link shutter, motorized focus, electronic zoom, and 6D keystone correction, including corner keystone, for flexible setup. It also includes a built-in rechargeable battery, around 15,600 mAh, allowing cord-free usage for about 1.5 to 2.5 hours, making it suitable for short outdoor movie sessions or meetings. With throw ratio around 1.2 to 1 and the ability to project up to ~300 in ideal dark conditions, the R17 is a well-rounded portable projector. While the brightness is modest compared to high-end projectors, its smart features, portability and battery make it a strong option for casual home cinema, outdoor entertainment or mobile presentations. Number 5. VEVSHAO A12 Projector. The VEVSHAO A12 Mini Projector is a compact smart projection solution designed for home cinema and portable setup environments. It runs on Android 13.0 with built-in Wi-Fi 6 support, allowing streaming apps and direct smartphone mirroring without extra hardware. The native resolution is 1280 x 720 HD, with support for 4K input, and the brightness is specified around 350 ANSI lumens, making it best suited for darker rooms. It supports projection from approximately 30 to 150 screen size at a throw distance of ~0.85, 4.2 m, features a contrast ratio of around 2001, and supports both front and ceiling mount modes. Connectivity includes HDMI, USB, RJ45 and built-in speakers. The device weighs about 1.03 kilograms and uses an LED light source rated for around 50,000 hours. Overall, the VEVSHAO A12 offers strong smart TV-style features in a mini-projector form, ideal for casual streaming, mobile projection and flexible viewing scenarios, provided you're working in fairly controlled lighting conditions.